malinaw po sa atin ang lahat. Para yung mga haka-haka mo, yung mga naririnig mo, dito malilinawan natin. So allow me to read our disclaimer for tonight. Alright, the information provided in this presentation does not constitute advices, investment, financial trading, and others, and any other forms in any of its content should be treated as such. Okay. Moreover, nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. And take note, yan, Live Good is not an investment company. That is why it is illegal for a promoter or a participant in the program to persuade anyone to make payments promising benefits from getting others to join. And do not be misled by any claims that high earnings are easy to be achieved. And that's why we recommend you to strongly suggest to have your own independent research prior to engaging any kind of business, okay, including any other activity or activities when you have expectations of a specific high results or any financial returns or gains. Okay, malinaw tayo dyan. So, when it comes to independent research, I give you 3 guides kung paano ka mag-research para ang company na mapuntahan mo ay hindi siya illegal. Or sabihin na lang natin na legit yung mapuntahan mong company pag eto sinunod mo yung 3 nating letter P. Unang letter P natin ay it's about the profile of the company. Kailangan yung mga may-ari or yung nagpapatakbo ng isang kumpanya ay may credibility and expertise when it comes to the business they offer or the services they offer. Alright? So, second letter P natin ay yung product. Does the product has the benefit for human? And not only that, dapat high quality yet affordable ang price. Okay, so number 3 natin, yung program or plan. What is the program of the company to us? Okay, meron ba silang magandang programa for us to have an entrepreneurial opportunity also? Okay, and what else? Yung kanilang, alam mo, yung kanilang website, madali ba ito ma-access? Okay? Yung bang kanilang way of payout is, ano to, marami bang way? Okay? Hindi lang ba iisa yung panggagalingan? Okay? So, yun ba yun? Alright. So, dapat alam natin yung mga guide na yan para, okay, hindi tayo maligaw kung saan-saang mapunta tayong company. Okay. So, ayan. So, are you ready? Pero bago yan, syempre, kailangan makilala po muna ninyo kung sino ba yung nagsasalita sa sa harapan ninyo. Okay? Kasi mahirap na, mas maganda kapag kilala natin yung nagsasalita kasi mas mataas yung level of retention ng brain natin. Alam mo yon, pag kilala mo, mas nare-retain yung ating nakikita or nakukuhang information with that person. Okay? So, magpapakilala po muna ako, no? Yes, okay. I am Coach Mavic Urbano and I am currently gold rank here in Live Good. Yan, proud na proud, di ba? So, sino nga ba? Ako po ay 46 years old na and I have 3 kids and happily married, syempre. Okay? And now, dati po ako, graduate po ako ng BS Accountancy and that's why I work as a corporate accountant for more than 15 years na. And now, I am also involved in other businesses. And I've been one of the Millionaires Club and top 500 of my former company, yung previous company natin na ginawa. And right now, okay, ano na kaya ginagawa ni Coach Mavic? I am a stay-at-home mom and a digital business owner. Ayan. So, bakit ka ba ako napunta? Paano ako napunta dito sa Live Good? You know what? Meron tayong tinatawag na Valley of Life. Ang buhay minsan, sumasadsad din tayo. Okay? When we call valley, 'di ba? Yung gitna ng bundok, 'di ba? Bundok and then pababa, that's the valley and then bundok ulit. So sa pagitan ng bundok, that's the valley. And yun nga, pag sa Valley of Life sinasabi natin, may dumarating sa punto ng buhay natin that are challenges, okay? Yung mga setbacks, may mga sinasabi tayo na hardships. And napunta po kami dito sa Live Good, okay? So nakapag-join kami dito dahil dun sa punto na yon ng buhay namin. And it's very hard. It's not easy to decide then because of those people who are saying about the loyalty and integrity. Ayan, question ka, di ba? That's why it's hard for you to decide na ano ba, pupunta ba ako sa Live Good because we are still engaged with the other company. And yun nga, sabi, asan yung loyalty and integrity? Okay? So, have you been questioned with that? Okay. So, ito yung naging realization ko kung bakit ako nag-decide. Okay? Sabi ng mentor namin, loyalty, hindi niya mapapakain ang family mo. And people are just temporary in our life. They come and go. Ang laban po, sarili po natin. Sariling laban para sa mga pangarap natin. And why Live Good? I have 3 things to consider why I joined Live Good and why Live Good is the company to consider to join. Unang-una, okay, na ayaw ko na pong maging empleyado. I imagine myself na yung, alam mo yung edad mo na, tas itutulak-tulak ka sa MRT. Kahit ayaw mo pang pumasok, matutulak ka. So I don't want, why I just Live Good, ayoko na pong maging empleyado. Number 2 is, Live Good has a fair and square treatment to everybody. You cannot feel na may palakasan. Okay? May hugot ba? You cannot feel na, alam mo yon kasi mataas ang rank mo and then you are special. No, Ben Glinsky don't have that special treatment to everyone. We are treated same as an affiliate marketing of Live Good. So ramdam na ramdam mo talaga. And number 3 is, alam mo yon, with the safest platform right now Live Good has and the lowest capital or the membership that you have to peg or shell out, you can get the 3 packages of life. First, to learn. Second, to earn. And third is to grow. Okay? Kaya, kung ikaw ay nag-uumpisa pa lang na magnenegosyo, okay, huwag kang maghanap ng malaki. Kasi pwede mo naman umpisahan sa maliit lang, pero pareho pa rin ang pwedeng hahantungan ng kita ninyo. Okay? So, yan. Tuloy natin, no? I am into Team Camp community and we are having this one system, the one. Here in the one, all things are possible. Are you now ready to hear about this company na nagpayanig at nagdating ng bagyo sa buong mundo dahil sobrang dami ng achievement na nakuha niya and sobrang dami ng affiliates natin for 2 years lamang. Welcome to Live Good. Alright? So, excited ka na ba? Sige nga, i-type mo, excited ka malaman about the Live Good. So, tignan natin, sabay-sabay natin. Tunghayan, kung sinabi ko bang gabay natin kanina, kung legit ang company, the 3-piece, remember, sabay-sabay natin tunghayan kung pasok ba si Live Good sa 3-piece natin. Let's meet our members here, okay? Sa Live Good team natin. Okay, meet our Live Good team, Ben Glinsky, the CEO, of course, with 20 years of experience owning and running companies. And Elder Gazan, legend. Okay, the 2 guys has the credibility, yes. Expertise, yes. Okay, the formulator of our products on the right of the screen, Ryan Goodkin, that meron naman talaga siyang expertise because of the background of being both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. Alright? And also, Lisa Goodkin, the wife, ang kanyang kabiyak ay siya naman ang nagtuturo paano natin gamitin at ano yung maganda sa katawan natin while we're having our health monitoring. Okay? Kasi si Lisa knows what works and what doesn't works for people of all levels of health and wellness. Pasok ang credibility. Okay, dagdagan pa natin yan. Ano nga ba si Live Good? Okay? So, tingnan natin. Eto si Live Good, kung nakita ninyo itong nasa screen nyo, a company that is making remarkable strides because of blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunity. Okay? So, hindi lang siya puro sa health, meron din siyang bibigay na oportunidad para mas ma-maintain natin ang health natin because of money. Okay, syempre, ang ating company, tignan natin kung pasok na, may opisina sa Jupiter Park, Florida, USA, and we are globally launched last December 2022, and we are now open in more than 200 countries. And the first fulfillment center natin, of course, nasa Florida din yan. And dahil nga sobrang biglang dumami yung affiliates ng Live Good, syempre, dapat hindi madidelay ng matagal ang mga products natin. And that's why Live Good decided to open another fulfillment center in Germany. Okay? Baka naman pupunta rin dito sa Asia. Okay? So, ang laliman natin pagdating sa products. We are done with the profile. Now, products are made in USA. Syempre, di ba? Dahil nandun yung natin, yung company natin. And not only that, pag sinabi nating US, it's a high quality. Okay, high quality dahil ito ay dumaan sa iba't ibang certifications from other independent bodies. Like what? We got certifications from GMP na sinasabi dito na maayos ang paggawa at yung manufacturer, tinignan yan kung malinis talaga. And not only that, we got also certification from National Sanitation Foundation that our product is very safe for human consumption. And the last one dito ka ma-excite is because not all the manufacturers of supplement having the certification. And what's the good news about? Oh, excited ka? What's the good news? Live Good got the certification from USDA Organic, a United States Department of Agriculture, that our product has been grown na organic talaga yung mga ginamit na product na raw materials with that. Okay? So hindi pa dyan nagtatapos because our company is very transparent. We can access easily the certificate of analysis in our website. Certificate of analysis says that our product has been tested, its purity and potency by the different independent laboratories like this. Okay? And those laboratories here in your screen, hindi lang basta-basta because they are also accredited by a body who is the American Association for Laboratory. Okay? So magandang-maganda talaga, high quality yung products natin. Yes, it is because there is a simple mission of Live Good. Okay? Our mission is simple, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Hindi mo na kailangan masaktan ang iyong bulsa para sa high quality products na gagamitin mo. Alright? So, are you all excited? What are the products? Okay, excited ka ba? Okay, so here are the lineup of the products of Live Good. See, ay yung mga bestseller natin dyan, Super Green, Super Reds, Factor 4, and syempre kapag nag-order ka, wag lang iisa. Kailangan ang i-order mo yung para na sa maraming dedication sa katawan, like dedicated for your liver, dedicated for the joints, ganyan. Kasi Live Good naman is offering the product bundle packages para mas makatipid ka at talagang kuha mo na lahat ng produkto na pangangailangan ng katawan mo. And we highly suggest that you have to buy the International Wellness Pack. Bakit? Because if you get this pack, okay, Live Good gives you the discounted rate sa shipping fee. Good or very good? Okay? Naka-discount ka na, murang-mura pa yung products natin. And good news, because of the confidence ng mga gumawa ng produkto natin, they're very confident that our product is high quality and very good quality then. They offer the 90 days money back guarantee. Kaya kapag makuha mo yung product mo, hindi mo na maiisip talaga tong money back guarantee na to kasi napakaganda. And let's see how competitive our product in the marketplace. Tignan natin kung gaano ba kababa ng presyo compared to the competitors. Okay, can you see that one? Super Green is $18 and the competitor price is $99.99. Sobra-sobrang layo. Okay? High quality na, affordable pa yung price. Okay, we're done. Done with the products na, done with the profile. Let's see on the program and plans. Okay, ano nga ba si LiveGood at paano tumatakbo ang kanyang tinatawag na entrepreneurial opportunity? Okay, LiveGood applies or use the what we call the two models of business. The club membership model and the subscription-based business model. You know what? There are companies using the club membership model, pero iisa lang ang ginagamit nila. They are not using the subscription. Other naman, subscription lang sila. The others are club membership lang. But LiveGood use the two model of business. Kung maganda na yung club membership, maganda pa yung subscription, pinagsama pa ni LiveGood, mas maganda. Okay? Solve ka na dyan. Let's see. Is there any data to vouch that a club membership thing, Coach Mavic? Meron ba tayong mga data na nagpapakita na maganda talaga ang club membership and subscription para alam naman natin? Yes, we are ready with that. Okay? Ito yon. Yan. So this is about the subscription and the club membership. You know what? Let's see on Netflix. Tignan natin. Okay? Netflix has 9.99 monthly subscription, but it has 282 million subscribers. Ang dami. And you know what? It gives Netflix a 37 billion revenue. US dollar yan ha. 37 billion US dollar revenue last 2024. Sustainable income? Yes. Let's see, in the membership side, 132 million members, and it gives Costco the $4.8 billion revenue in 2024. Substantiable income? Yes. Okay? So meaning, maganda na ang serbisyo at produkto na binibigay nitong dalawang company na to. Okay? Pero napansin nyo ba na sila lang yung mga may-ari lang ang nakikinabang sa mga binabayad ng mga subscribers. You know what? They have amazing products and services. Kaya nung pinagsama ni LiveGood yung membership and subscription, eto na yung wala si Netflix and Costco. What? Guess what? The subscription that pays. You are subscribing and yet you will earn income. Okay? So, okay na okay ka ba dyan? Alright, so tingnan natin, ano ba yung benefit ko kapag ako ay naging affiliate or member ni LiveGood? So let's see. Okay, so isa dito, ang magiging benefit mo ay makakasave ka ng 75%. Okay, kapag affiliate ka ni LiveGood. Alright, so not only that, ano ba yung pwede mo makuha? Okay, free personalized health assessment. You know what? This is anytime, anywhere you can monitor your health. Para bang pwede kang magpa-check up anytime, anywhere. And this month is a Valentine's month, okay? A love month. You can share the free personalized health assessment to your loved ones, to your friends as a sign of love to them. This is a free. If you have this link, you just send the link and your loved ones can monitor their health. And it will be the customized or personalized assessment report will be sent to their email. Maganda? Alright. So, hindi lang yan. You know what? Upon membership or maging affiliate na LiveGood, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang products to consider. We have physical products to receive or we have what we call the intangible. The tangible, the physical, the intangible, or what we call the digital products. Ngayon, open na tayo for the digital products. Ito ba yung mga produkto, pero it serves us in our brain lang. Like what? The courses, yung mga crash course, ano pa, yung mga digital products like yung mga Canva, yung mga ganyan. Yung mga designs, mga e-books, those are intangible products. Okay? So LiveGood also gives us the intangible products, the 3 replicated website. All right. So kung gusto ng kaibigan mo na makita about the corporate, how about the corporate? You give your unique link having that corporate site. And also retail site natin, kung gusto niya malaman about the product, with that retail site. And also, kung gusto nilang malaman kung paano din sila maging affiliate, how to earn also, you have to send the Powerline landing page. You know what? In the retail site, para kang nagkaroon ng instant e-commerce and dropshipping business. Why? Pagka-send mo kasi yung link mo, your friend then will go onto that shop, doon na siya magbibili, add to cart, magbabayad siya, and dropshipping goes that Live Good will be the one to pack and will be the one to deliver, manage the courier door to your client. Okay ba sa'yo? Okay, good? Alright. So type mo nga dyan, good sa'yo? Good. That's very good. Okay? Yan. So what are the advantages of Live Good? Okay, these are the advantages: no mandatory buying, no auto ship, no team sales quota, no points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Kasi you buy the products what you need and when you need. Okay? So ano pa yung makikita natin benepisyo dito? We also have the special trainings for you. Value for money kapalit ng pagiging affiliate mo dito kapag ikaw ay dito sa Dream Makers Worldwide. We will give you the strong mindset training wherein if you can enroll to other outside DMW, you're gonna pay it for about 5,000 pesos. What else? Okay, package na to. May mastery din tayo, master class. If you want to enroll in other courses siguro that gives mastery about business, that will give you also 5,000 pesos cost. Okay, na ano pa, yung mga technical natin na training. Okay, madami dyan nag-o-offer ng mga technical trainings. Okay, kung ikaw mag-enroll siguro 5,000 din maaabot niyan or more than. And yung last natin, isa pa, unlimited prospecting. This is a very crucial to us as online marketers or affiliate marketing dahil dito mo talaga prospects are yan yung beginning ng pag-grow ng business mo. And if you go into other courses outside DMW, you will have the cost of 5,000 din. For a total of 20 for that 4 training, special trainings. Okay? So, ang mahal na rin yan, di ba? But you know what? Because you enroll under the DMW, you will get this for absolutely free and unlimited access. Excited ka ba dyan? Okay, so excited. I'm so excited because you know what? Training is very important in every business. Kahit may pera ka, meron kang talino, 'di ba? Pero ang importante nito, yung nakaka-attend ka ng mga trainings and a very healthy community. Yung community ba na puro positibo, a circle of individuals na nandun yung mga pangarap pinag-uusapan. Okay? So lahat ng yan, makukuha mo yan na benepisyo pag ikaw ay isang affiliate na ni Live Good. Magkano ba? Ayan ang tanong. Okay, we have 2 options how to become a member of Live Good. Okay, but before I show you that, I just have to remind you that business nowadays should be online para mag-boom yan. Kaya naman, yan ang nagustuhan ko kay Live Good kasi you don't need to go anywhere. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas kasi lahat online mo lang siya gagawin. And we will teach you that how to do it online. Kasi sabi nga, yung negosyo mo, pag nilagay mo sa internet, sigurado yan at alam mo yung mga pattern, paano gumalaw sa social media, sigurado magbo-boom ang business mo. Okay? Gusto mo yan? Gustong gusto, di ba? Siyempre, okay, I now present you how to become a member of Live Good. Alright, so ready ka na? Alright. So, option 1 natin yung monthly natin na kung saan meron tayong tinatawag na one-time affiliate fee na $40 and a subscription fee na 9.95. This is monthly. Okay? For a total of 49.95. Okay, tanong. Ibig sabihin ba, Coach Mavic, next month 49.95 ulit? No, because ulitin ko, one-time lifetime lang ang 40, the monthly lang ang babayaran mo. That's why next month, you're gonna pay the 9.95 na lang. Malinaw? Klaro? Okay, klaro. Kung i-convert natin yan sa peso, ita-times na lang natin yan sa very conservative na 60. So, i-round off na rin natin ng $50 times 60, that will give you 3,000 pesos. Okay? Ang mura lang pala. Okay, ang dami pang trainings na makukuha. Okay, we go to the yearly option. Another, okay, one-time lifetime natin na $40 and the yearly subscription, we're gonna pay it for one time. Kung napapansin mo, magkano yan? $139.95. Sabi mo, parang nalito yata si Livgo. Dapat $10 times 12, that should be $120 plus 40, that should be $160. But you know what? If you're gonna avail that yearly, LiveGood will give you a discount of $20 and that would be your savings. May savings ka na $20? Gusto mo yon? At hindi ka pa mawaworry na hindi ka magsusubscribe na makakat yung subscription mo monthly because you avail that yearly option. Okay? It's up to you to decide. You get the monthly or the yearly decision. Okay? Pag i-convert natin tong 139, magkano ba, Coach Mavic? That's 8,400 pesos. Alright. So, ngayon, kapag ikaw ay affiliate na, puntahan natin kung paano nga ba lumago ang iyong negosyo. So, we have earned income in 7 ways here. Number 1 is matrix commission, matching bonus. Ito yung matching bonus natin. Ito yung monthly makukuha natin together with the matrix commission. Yung weekly at the word weekly fast start commission, ito yung pwede mo ng pamalengke every week. Kay diamond bonus pool, ito yung tinatawag natin na early retirement or passive income. And yung number 5, 6, and 7, okay, ito mga self-explanatory na lang to, customer acquisition, retail commission, di ba? Ang daling intindihin, and influencer bonuses. And let's begin. Ready ka na? Oh, dapat nandyan yung notebook mo para isulat-sulat mo yan para gumalaw yung mga fingertips mo. Okay, let's begin with the matrix commission. Alright, sa matrix commission natin, meron tayong tinatawag na 15 level with a 2x2 matrix. Kapag ikaw ay kaka-enroll lang dito sa LiveGood, you're considered unranked and you have a potential income monthly of 2,047.5. Bakit 2,047.5? Because every time one person will subscribe, you will get $0.25 commission. Nagulat ka ngayon, Coach Mavic, di ibig sabihin 4,096 na kukunin ko para ma-earn ko yung 2,047.5. Don't you worry kasi meron tayong tinatawag na matrix income through spillover. How it works? Okay, for example, ako to enroller. Okay, ngayon, dahil ako ay very aggressive and passionate enough, I want to earn $2,047.5. So, I get 2 affiliates under me. At ako po ay bronze na. Okay, malalaman nyo yan mamaya bakit nag-rank up ako. Okay, for example, okay, eto ngayon, tingnan natin. Si Coach Pitts, okay, eto siya, si Pitts, nandito siya sa may left side ko, siya yan. Okay, Pitts, ganito yan. Ngayon, sabi 2x2 lang, nakakuha pa ako ng 4. Okay, dahil nga very aggressive ako, araw-araw ako nag-share. I got additional 4. Saan na sila mapupunta? 2x2 lang. So, LiveGood system works. Dahil 2x2, hahanapin ngayon ni LiveGood system saan ang mga tao na wala pang 2x2. Ilalagay niya ngayon yan and that's what we call a spillover. Okay, lalagyan niya ng dalawa dyan kay Pitts at lalagyan niya din yung nasa kanan ko ng dalawa to serve the purpose of the 2x2 matrix. Now, etong na-spill sa'yo, Pitts. Okay? Yung na-spill sa'yo, very aggressive and passionate din siya kasi gusto niya din kumita ng $2,047 every month. Ang ginawa niya ngayon, share ng share ng share ng share ng share. So, araw-araw niya sinare ngayon to si LiveGood. Walang katapusan, walang pagod. Kaya ang nangyari, dumami ang nasa baba na ng spillover. And what's the benefit of Pitts? Ano yung benepisyo ni Coach Pitts? Okay, every time na merong isang tao na nagsusubscribe ng $10 every month, it will give you an earning of 0.25. Kaya, nung nagkaroon ng mga tao sa baba ni Coach Pitts, let's say 40 times 0.25, that will give you $10. Ibig sabihin, yung pang-subscribe mo, nag-earn na yung na-spill over lang sa'yo. Problemahin mo ba yung $10 mo? Not anymore getting from the pocket, not anymore getting from the salary because the spillover earns for itself. Alinaw, magkano yan? 600 pesos. Okay, so ngayon, nakita ngayon ni Pitts, kailangan ko din talaga magsipag para mas mabilis kami dumami, mas mabilis yung income. Now, ang ginawa ngayon ni Pitts, 3 na kami masipag. Okay, ako, si Pitts, at yung na-spill over sa kanya. And it grows. 1,000 people under Pitts. Ngayon, magkano na yung pwede niyang kitain? 1,000 times 0.25, that will give you $250 or 15,000 pesos. Kung ikaw ay merong ginagastos na 15,000 pesos sa family mo and you're getting it from your salary, 15,000 from Live Good will cover your expenses for that month. You can just imagine, yung dating kinukuha mo sa salary mo na 15,000 to cover the expenses of the family for a month. Ngayon, nandyan na si Live Good to cover it up. Yung 15,000 mo from the salary, masasave mo na. Or vice versa. Okay? Etong income mo kay Live Good will be your savings. Good or very good? Okay? Alright. So, tingnan pa natin kung paano pa kumita dito sa matrix commission natin. Alright? Kapag nagra-rank up ka, alright, pag nara-rank up ka, mas tumataas yung commission mo. Why? Mas lumalalim yung pinanggagalingan ng commission mo. Hindi na lang siya 12, kundi hanggang 13th level mo siya. Okay? Lalo na kapag ikaw ay nag-gold and platinum, bababa ulit to 14 until ma-reach mo yung 15 level kapag ikaw ay nag-diamond na. That will give you an income of $16,383.5. Anong buhay kaya meron tayo niyan? Excited ka ba? Okay? O kinikilig ka ba dyan sa income na yan? Okay, so sabihin mo dyan, kinikilig akong kumita ng $16,000. Okay, so next doon tayo sa matching bonus from the word match. Tatapatan ni Live Good ang kinikita ng affiliate mo. And that's the very important thing why you have to enroll affiliates under you and not to wait for the spillover lang. Because if you are waiting for the spillover, you know what? You will not enjoy this matching bonus, I tell you. Why? Because matching bonus will work this way. Okay? Ganito yon. Okay? Every time na may kinikita yung mga personally enrolled individual mo, ibibigay ni Live Good, tatapatan niya ng 50% commission but not deducting from their income. Okay, for example, you have this first referral that earns 1,000. Live Good will match that 50%. It will give you how much? $500. And the second referral, 600, that will give you 300. And the third referral, 300, that will give you 150. And the fourth referral earns 100, that will give you $50 for a total of 1,000 or 60,000 pesos. Grabe! Mas malaki pa kinikita mo ngayon kesa doon sa dati nagtatrabaho ka. Not only that, there are certain percentage also pag nagra-rank up na yung mga affiliates mo. Okay? So next natin, yung tinatawag natin na weekly fast start commission or pwedeng pamalengke mo na to. Diba? How is it? That every time na meron tayong na-enroll, we get a 50% referral fee. Okay, how is it? Okay, di ba $50 yung ating enrollment? Okay, ngayon, each person, pwede ka kumita ng 1.5 or $25. And this is unlimited. For example, you got 10. Di meron kang 10 times 25, you will get $250. Okay ba yun? O pwede na yan pamalengke every week? Makukuha mo yan every week. Okay, and not only that. Kapag ikaw ay nagra-rank up, dumadagdag, hindi lang 50% ang pwede mo makomisyon from the enrollment. Dadagdag pa ng mga commissions dyan. Alright? How is it? Okay, pag bronze ka, you will just get only 2 at bronze ka na. Okay? Now, you will enjoy the commission of 10% on the second level. Kita mo? Lumalalim pinanggagalingan. Okay. So, when you want to go into silver rank, what you will do is, dadagdagan mo yung line mo. Instead of 2, you will get another 1. So, it will become 3. Okay? 3 na ngayon yung line mo and you will rank them up. Tutulungan mo sila na mag-bronze. Okay? And you will become silver as long as you have an active affiliates under you for a total of 20 people. Okay? So ngayon, pwede ka nang kumita ulit doon sa third and fourth level mo. The same as sa pag mag-gold ka, tulungan mo ulit yung tatlong bronze mo to become silver with a total active affiliates of 100 under you, and you will become gold, and you will enjoy the fifth and sixth level commission. And also, when you want to become platinum, tulungan mo lang yan tatlo to become gold, and you have a active affiliate for a total of 500, and you will enjoy the commissions from the 7 and 8 level. And lastly, okay, para mag-diamond ka, yung tatlo na yan, you will rank them up as platinum with a total number of 2,500 active affiliates under you. You are now diamond and enjoy the commission from the 9th and 10th level. Why is it important to be a diamond? Bakit yan ang pinaka-main goal natin? It's because of this commission, the diamond bonus pool. Okay, paano ba nangyayari yan? You know what? The total sales monthly of Live Good will be given. The 2.5 will be split over the diamond and the crown diamond. How? Okay. Now, it may be, the sales may be from the membership, from the subscription, or the purchases of the products. For example, Live Good has this 10 million US dollar sales for the month. Okay, diamond will have a share of 2% from there, and 200,000 US dollar. Ang equally divided amongst the qualified diamond for that month. Okay. Now, kung 50 diamonds yan, they will receive 4,000 US dollar. Okay. Pag crown diamond naman, let's just compute for the 0.5% of that $10 million, and it will be equally divided amongst the qualified crown diamond, yung 50,000 US dollar that will give them, kung dalawa lang sila, tigda 25,000 US dollar sila. Okay. Let us see kung totoo ba na equally divided yan. There's a proof. Okay. So, can you see that one? Tatlo sila, pantay-pantay up to the last centavo. Pare-pareho. And this is in regardless of kailan sila nag-diamond. Walang seniority dito. Okay? Basta qualified ka for that month, may it be kaka-diamond mo lang sa that month or matagal ka na, basta qualified ka, you will be given equally. Alright? So, tingnan natin yung ating customer acquisition bonuses. Sinabi dito na meron ka matatanggap na 10% commission kapag bumili yung ating personally enrolled individual, but up to the 300 US dollar cap. Okay? Pag bibili tayo, nandyan lang sa website natin. I-click lang natin yan, makita niyo yung price, and then you can buy there. Alright. Doon naman sa ating retail commission natin, sinasabi dito na kapag nakabenta tayo sa hindi member or hindi affiliate ng Live Good, you will receive that retail commission. Alright? And also for the influencer bonuses, kapag marami tayong nabenta dahil meron tayong kakilalang influencer, certain percentage of that sales will be given to that influencer or sa'yo na affiliate. Alright, malinaw? Malinaw na malinaw? Sobrang ganda ba? Okay, so tapos na po ako sa ating first part ng presentation. I don't know kung ano nagustuhan mo dyan. I-type mo nga kung ano nagustuhan mo. Sa products ba? Sa kitaan ba? Okay? Doon ba sa rank up? Okay, i-type mo nga dyan kung malinaw na malinaw. Okay? So titignan natin ngayon kung ito ba ay ang tanong ko ngayon sa iyo, gusto mo ba ng negosyong madali or mahirap? Okay? Okay. So, syempre, kung ikaw magne-negosyo, alam mo naman ng mga Pilipino, gustong-gusto nila nang napapadali sila, di ba? Kaya nga ang daming sumasali sa mga instant investment. Okay? Syempre, madali. And you know what? I have a good news for you for this 2025. Dream makers worldwide have this game plan that we will have this project to create 100 diamonds. Isa ka na ba sa magiging diamond this 2025? Claim it! I am diamond. Yan, type mo yan. Okay, i-type mo yan. Alright? Dahil dyan, meron tayong game plan. Ano yung game plan natin? That we will have a program. Okay? na get 3, help 3, then repeat. Okay, ituturo namin yan sa'yo para mapadali na ang lahat. Okay, sobrang dali mo nang gawin dahil napakaliit na, sobrang dali pa. Okay, pero may dalawang requirements tayo, hindi basta-basta dahil madali, meron kaming dalawang requirements. Ikaw ba ay kailangan mo talaga ng dagdag kita para mapasama ka dito sa 100 Diamonds project natin? And second requirements is, kaya mo bang gawin yung 4 easy step natin? Okay? Kapag isa dyan, hindi ka nag-qualify sa requirements natin, I suggest, ako na nagsasabi, huwag mo na ituloy mag-member dito sa Live Good. Okay? Pero kung kailangan mo ng dagdag kita, kayang-kaya mong gawin ang 4 easy step, and then you go. And I gonna tell you, this gonna change your life forever. Okay? So gusto mo nang malaman kung paano ba yan get 3 natin? But of course, this program that runs through, we have the system. We have the system. And you will gonna learn about the 4 easy step natin na system kasi nakapaloob to sa ating The One Academy. Okay? You can enroll in the One Academy for you to develop yourself, to be duplicated, and to build a huge organization here in Live Good. Excited ka dyan? Alright. So I know you're so super excited to know how to have that Get 3 project. I'm gonna give you now. Alright, how to become a diamond in 7 weeks. Aba, ang dali lang pala. Okay, first, eto na yon, first week natin. Kukuha lang tayo ng 3, get 3 nga, di ba? Okay, ikaw ay bronze na at meron ka ng commission na $75 on the second week. Okay, yung 3, i-duplicate mo lang, sabihin mo, gawin mo lang yung ginawa ko, kumuha ng tag-3. Naging siyam kayo ngayon, another commission, 10% for a $45. And the third week, yung siyam, nakuha ng tag-3, naging 27, you are now silver. At may additional commission ka na naman na 67.5. Alright, so now, yung 27 mo naging 81, meron ka na namang additional na $202.5. And on the 5th month, kumuha ulit yung 81 ng tig-3, may 243, you are now gold. At meron ka na namang commission na 364.5. Oh, grabe no? And on the 6th month, 243 times 729, you are now platinum. At meron ka na namang additional na $729. And lastly, on the 7th week, okay, yung 729 kumuha ng tig-3 at meron kayong total na 2,187. You are now diamond position. Okay, rank mo na ay diamond at meron ka ang potential income of $5,000. Are you excited on that? Okay, if you cannot make it on 7 weeks, you can do it on 7 months. Oh, okay? So, tignan natin magkano ba yung potential income ko diyan sa matrix pag ganyan. Okay, yung matrix income mo, okay? You know what? This one. Okay, tignan mo maigi yung mga numbers na yan. First referral mo, pwede kumita ng 273 and 273 and you will earn how much? 819.25. Okay, matrix income. And let's see. How much would be your matching bonus? 409.5 for a total of $1,228.75 every month. Grabe! Ha! Oh, nakahinga ka pa ba dyan? Okay. Alright. So, I'll now give you the 4 easy step para naman tuloy-tuloy na maramdaman mo ang dali pala gawin si Live Good. Okay. Eto na. 4 easy step. Unang-una, madali lang gawin. Mag-approach ka lang. Kayang-kaya mo yan kasi kahit hindi naman negosyo, you are doing the approach. Okay, sasabihin mo lang sa mga kakilala mo, pwede ba akong magtanong or we will give you a script. This system is a 90% done for you. Okay, isasend mo lang yung script. Nasa subscription business ako at naghahanap ako ng gustong mag-subscribe at potential na kumita. Kapag nakita yung kumita, okay, ang gagawin ay, paano ba yan? Now, you will do the second step, yung video natin. You send the video, and after that, pag sinabi mo, tapos ka na ba after 5 minutes, I will gonna call you. Okay, habang nanonood yung prospect mo, doon sa video, i-chat mo na ngayon yung iyong coach, you give the background of the prospect, para may katuwang ka. And that's what we call step number 3, you call the support of the team. Okay, tawagin mo na ngayon yung coach mo. Siya ngayon ang bahalang mag-explain at sasagot pa sa mga tanong ng prospect mo. While the prospect is asking you, habang nanonood siya, please, don't answer and don't give any idea on that. Okay? Antayin mo na yung support, yung magbibigay ng explanation dito. Okay? Habang ikaw ay nakikinig, nag-e-explain yung coach mo, and at that time na mag-decide siya, sasabihin ng coach mo, okay, you can reserve, you can secure your position now. Okay? Ikaw naman ay magsisend ng iyong Powerline landing page. Baka ito hindi mo pa kaya. Napakadali na. Okay. Pag na-send mo na yung Powerline landing page mo para na ikaw nakinig, yung coach mo, for example ako yung nag-explain, ako yung nagpaliwanag sa kanya, ako yung nag-mindset sa kanya na kailangan niya talaga to, and nag-decide siya, at sa'yo mapunta yung commission kasi Powerline landing page mo yung pinadala mo. Is it okay for you na ako yung nag-explain but you earn? Okay, okay naman siguro yan. Wala naman sigurong may ayaw. Hindi ka napagod, nakinig ka lang. Ganun lang pala yung Live Good. Makikinig lang ako and then I earn. Okay? So, ayan. Yan yung 4 easy step natin. Ulitin ko, the requirements would be, kailangan mo ba talaga at kaya mo ba gawin itong 4 easy step natin, and then pasok ka for the program of the Dream Makers Worldwide na 100 Diamond Desk 2025. Okay. So lastly, ito po yung masasabi ko sa inyo. A lot of opportunities out there, but Live Good has these 3 crucial in our life. The health, it gives us the very good quality products. It gives us the entrepreneurial opportunity, which gives us the income. And if you have that good health and good income here in Live Good, definitely you can save for the future. And this is what we call what? This is what we call the value that Live Good is giving us. You can now feel that you live and not just to exist with this health, income, and savings. Ayan, tapos na po ako, di ba? I hope na gustuhan nyo na malinaw ng presentation natin. At eto, yung babanggitin ko sa inyo ha, I am also a mother, no? I am also a mother. Kung ikaw siguro nanay din, I don't know kung paano ka napunta rito, paano mo nakita yung link, I don't know. But as a mother, I advise you, no, na you do this business, just planting a seed. Okay? Ikaw na ang magplant ng seed na yan. You learn. And so that your kids, nai-influensyahan mo siya. Even